From an airless tire that's puncture-proof, a wireless converter kit that can make any bike electric, a bike wheel capable of folding, to a hubless electric bike with a fingerprint scanner. Welcome back everyone to Futurelicious, where we bring the latest innovations, technology, and gadgets. Bridgestone's been working on air-free car tires for a few years, and now they're bringing the technology to the world of cycling with the Bridgestone air-free bicycle tire. This concept tire uses a series of inner spokes to eliminate the need for inflation. In addition to providing a comfortable ride, the mixture of resins used for the spokes and outer rubbers represent a more efficient use of resources. The air-free concept is a technology that eliminates the need for tires to be inflated with air to support the weight, using a unique structure of spokes stretching along the inner sides of tires. With this technology, tires need less maintenance and have no worry of punctures. The resin spokes with air-free concept technology provide higher flexibility for design and recyclability than conventional tires. Rubbee X is a fully wireless converter kit that can make any bike electric. Rubbee X is installed on the rear of your bike and has a patented lock mechanism that clamps onto your seats in seconds. The power assistant springs into action via a flywheel on the underside of the box that makes contact with your tire, and it's capable with any tire from 20 to 60 millimeters. The wirelessness is thanks to a Bluetooth wireless sensor that also handily tracks your cadence. Rubbee also has an iOS and Android app so you can track your rides, control your power output, and plan routes. The box can take up to 3 battery modules, and the more you put in, the more assistance and range you get. If you enjoy our content, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for further updates. GeoOrbital bike wheel is a battery-powered electric wheel that replaces your bike's existing front wheel. The battery and the motor are both contained inside a metal housing that sits inside the wheel itself. The metal housing is held in place by your bike fork the same way you would attach the hub of a normal bike wheel, and the motor drives a rubber reel that sits against the inner edge of the main wheel rim, propelling it forward. The GeoOrbital wheel supplies you with 500 watts of power and about 20 miles of pedal-free range on one charge. One very neat feature of the GeoOrbital wheel is its flat-proof tire. Instead of being filled with air, the tire is filled with high-density foam, making it literally impossible to get a flat. A throttle control is attached to the handlebar, giving you immediate control of the electric assistance. Hovding is a collar-like device containing an airbag that activates in the event of a crash. The Hovding inflates in 0.1 seconds and forms around the head and neck like a protective hood. The collar uses sensors that read the cyclist's movement pattern 200 times per second, and once it detects abnormal movement caused by an accident, it inflates. This efficiently fixates the neck and protects the head from injury. According to scientific studies conducted at Stanford University, the airbag technology is 8 times safer than traditional bicycle helmets. The battery lasts up to 12 hours, and users can connect their collar to their smartphone to monitor battery life and view user-collected data to see where accidents are most common. iWind is a portable air filter that blows purified air onto the cyclist's face. In urban environments, it's not uncommon to see cyclists wearing masks that filter out airborne pollutants. Magnetically mounted on the back of the rider's third party's helmet is the filtration module, which houses not only the replaceable filter itself, but also a fan and rechargeable lithium battery. These components combine to draw in ambient air, reportedly blocking particles as small as 0.4 microns, while also killing bacteria via a silver antimicrobial coating on the filter. As an added bonus, the filtration module also features a ceramic heater that can be used to warm the air on cool days. It has a 150 lumen tail light for added safety when cycling at night. ZiiLock is the first bike lock to combine tempered steel construction with advanced biometric fingerprint technology, Bluetooth connectivity, and keyed, keyless entry, all in a foldable design. Not only can you unlock it with a key, but ZiiLock also unlocks with your fingerprint and Bluetooth connectivity. In fact, the fingerprint takes just half a second to unlock the device. It can also store up to 20 different fingerprints. Perfect for commuters, all this technology folds down into a surprisingly compact size that can fit in your back pocket. Then, when it's time to secure your bike, it unfolds into a 98cm locking system featuring an unbreakable and temper-hardened material. With AES 256 military security, ZiiLock even goes a step further. If it detects a thief trying to steal your bike, it instantly notifies you on your smartphone. Koga has developed an all-in-one solution to backpacking and cycling. The Bergmonk consists of a rucksack and a downhill bike. Uphill, it's transported on your back, and once you've reached the top, it can be deployed in just 2 minutes, transforming it into an off-road bike. The bike can be ridden either standing or kneeling. Its Shimano hydraulic brakes are highly effective, adding to its safety. It has a telescopic mainframe, and its rear suspension provides 80 millimeters of travel. Its air suspension is adjustable according to the rider's weight. It has an ergonomic design that ensures the hiker or mountaineer remains comfortable and unharmed with the rucksack on their back. Also, it offers additional storage space, as much as 25 liters. It even has an attachment points strategically placed for helmets and walking poles. CeramicSpeed Driven is a complete redesign of the chain-link drivetrain commonly used in bicycles. Driven is a chainless design using pinions to move across the circles of gear teeth to change gears. Driven's pinions are the rings of bearings at either end of the drive shaft, which engage with the gears. The front pinion is fixed while the rear one is split down the middle, with the two halves able to move independently as part of each shift between gears. This new system uses 21 ceramic speed bearings to transfer torque from the front ring through the drive shaft and onto the 13-speed rear cog. In essence, it's similarly comparable to a dual-clutch transmission found in cars. As a result, it eliminates all 8 points of friction within a traditional chain drivetrain, reducing friction by 49%, and letting the power from every pedal transfer to the road more effectively. Revolve's folding wheel is a redesign of the traditional bicycle wheel. Created by Andrea Moslin with the aim to be the first truly modular wheel, it is compatible with most bicycles and wheelchairs, yet occupies 60% less space when folded than a traditional wheel. A sturdy aluminum frame and airless tire give it longevity, but perhaps most impressively, it's usable even when folded, opening the door to possibilities like a scooter that unfolds to become a full-size bike when needed. Folding bicycles until now have had to use smaller wheels to be able to fold to a small enough size for carrying. Most folding bike manufacturers use 16 or 20-inch wheels. The Revolve can offer full-size 26-inch wheels that fold to less than 1/3 of their height. Its unique hexagonal structure folds down to a sculptural pod, allowing for effortless pack-up. Reevo E-Bike is a hubless ride with spokeless wheels and a fingerprint reader on the handlebars to keep it safe and secure. The bike can also be tracked via GPS and has built-in 800 lumen LED lighting on each wheel along with an ambient light sensor that detects darkness and automatically turns on the headlamp and taillight. Housed within the frame is a vigilant microchip actively scanning for motions and alerts your mobile device immediately upon triggering. It's powered by a 48-volt battery that charges in 3 hours, with a 750-watt engine on the American version and a 250-watt engine on the Euro market. Other notable features include the one-sided fork, a maintenance-free drivetrain with adaptive pedal assist, and a very interesting invisible kickstand that retracts entirely inside the frame's chassis when not in use. The future can't come soon enough. Which one of these are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. We can't wait to bring you more from the future.